Standard 9th, practice 1.1. Hello everyone. So we'll be starting with the first one. Write the following sets in roster form. Now, what is roster form, students? First, you will understand when I do the first one. Sets of even numbers. Okay, when I say even numbers, roster form is writing the elements, separating them by commas. Okay, we have to put commas in between the elements. So I'll write 2, 4, 6, 8 dot 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 dot. Set of even numbers is infinite, so it will be dot dot dot, and you have to close them with curly bracket only. Don't use round bracket, don't use square bracket, use curly bracket. They are also called brace brackets. Okay, then second one is set of even prime number from 1 to 50. Okay, if you tell me any prime number, say 582 or 588, I cannot call them prime numbers, because every even number, these are even numbers, every even number is a composite number. Only there is one even number which is not composite, and it is prime. That is what? 2. 2 is the only even prime number. It is prime also and even also. Rest all the even numbers, they come in the table of 2. Hence they cannot be called as prime numbers. Okay. Then third one, set of negative integers. Now how will I write this? As you see in the number line, okay, it is -1, -2, -3 dot 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 dot. On the number line you see it like this. Okay, these are set of negative integers. Okay, then fourth one, 7 basic sounds of Sargam. Okay, you know what are the 7 basic sounds of Sargam? That is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Okay, this again gets repeated, so these elements should not get repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have done the first one. Let us move on to the second one. This is the way to write in roster form. This is also called as listing method. Okay, now the other way is called, then we'll move to second one. We have to write them in words. Now 4/3, this is read as is an element of set Q. Okay, like second one is given -2 is not an element of n. So how will you write this in word? -2 is not an element of set n. Okay, then we'll come to third one. Now this set is given in listing form, okay, or it is called set builder form. Okay, now how to read this? We have to read this: P is a set of all P set of all P's. See how to read this: P is set of all P's. You have to read this. This line is called such that. Okay, see, P is a set of all P's. P is a set of all P's. This line is, this stroke is such that. Then you have to write this full. P is an odd number. Okay, so P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Okay. third one, they have asked to write any two sets in listing method and by rule method. Okay, so listing method, I'll write, and you will guess what I am writing. Okay, so A I am writing 1 4 9 16 dot dot dot. So can you tell me what I have written? I have written all the perfect squares. 1 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, 9, 16 and infinite. Okay, then it will be 25 and so on. This is listing method. So I'll write listing method. Okay, then I'll write A, E, I, O, U. What is this set? This set is made up of vowels. Okay, so it is X is such that X is a vowel of English alphabets. Okay, so I have written two sets in listing method and I have to write for rule method. Okay, rule method means I have to write it in words. So let us say I'll write this the same sets but in rule method. Okay, or I can say set builder form. A is a set of all X such that X is a perfect square. Okay, the same A I have written here in rule method. B is a set of all X such that X is an alphabet. I will not write alphabet, I'll write X is a vowel of English alphabet. Okay, now children, you can prepare your own examples. I have given you two examples, each of rule method and listing method. Now let us move on to the fourth one. Now see children, right? Okay, so first one is all months in Indian solar year. So you have to write the months of Indian solar calendar. So we will write first is Chaitra, then it is Vaishakh, then it is Jyeshtha, then it is Ashadh, then it is Shravan, then it is Bhadrap, then it is Ashwin, then it is Kartik, then it is Agrahayan, then it is Paush, then it is Magh, and the last one is Falgun. Okay, so these are the 12 months of Indian solar calendar. Then we'll move on to the second one, which says write the letter in the words complement. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to just take care that we write each alphabet, but none of the alphabet should get repeated. Okay, so complement, COMPLEME, I'll not write again. Okay, then T. Okay, then the third one is set of human sensory organ. So you can write eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, these are our 5 sensory organs. Then you have set of all prime numbers from 1 to 20. Prime numbers start from 2 For those who don't know prime numbers, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which don't have any factors other than 1 and itself. To be very simple, I would say the numbers which don't come in any of the tables, like 17. 17 does not come in any of the table. It comes in only two tables, the table of 1 and the table of itself. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, so these many numbers, prime numbers are there. Okay, and then you have set of all the continents of the world. Okay, so you know, first we'll take from Asia, then I'll write Africa, then I'll write Australia, then I'll write Antarctica. All starting from A we'll finish first, then I'll write Europe, then I'll write the two Americas, that is South America and North America. Okay children, so these are the 7 continents. Then okay, so fifth one, we have to write the sets in listing form. Okay, now the numbers given here, if you see their pattern, they are actually perfect squares. They are perfect squares till 100. So if I want to represent them by a number, what I'll write is A equals to set of all x such that x equals to n square. These are all squares. And what is n? N belongs to natural number. Okay, n belongs to natural number. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the squares if you make, these are the squares till 10. So you have to write n is less than 11. Okay, n is less than 11 means you have to write the natural numbers only till 10. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square till 10 square. I can write n is less than 11, or I can also write n is less than or equal to 10. Both will do, because natural numbers, children, you know. Okay, second one is 6, 12, 18. You can clearly see these are the multiples of 6. Okay, they are the multiples of 6. So you will write B equals to set of all x such that x equals to 6 times n, 6n. This is 6 1s are, 6 2s are, 6 3s are. Okay, n belongs to natural number. They are set of natural number. 6 multiplied to natural number, 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4. Okay, then n is less than 9. We don't want to go beyond 8. 6 8s is 48. So n is less than 9. This is how you are going to write. C1 is very simple. Third one. So third one you will write C is equal to set of all x such that x is a letter in the word smile. Okay, curly bracket close. Now fourth one is D equals to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It is very simple. So I'll write straight away. I'll write the answer. I'm not going to write the days. Set of all x such that x is a day. X is a day in a week. Okay. Then fifth one is x equals to AET. Okay, so you will write x is equal to set of all y such that y is a letter in the word T. Okay children, so with this we complete our practice set 1.1. Goodbye.